In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change the system language to a different one on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So, as you can see, my system language is currently set to English. If I want to change it to a different language, I will first open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down and select General Management. Next, tap on the languages at the top of the page. Then here you have the option of adding a language. So tap on add language, select the language you would like your system to be in now. So for example, I want my system to be in Spanish. Then select the region you want your Spanish to come from. So you can have Spanish from Argentina, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Ecuador, El Salvador, all of these options. So select one of these options. So for example, I want mine to be from Colombia. And then you have the option to keep current, which is the English from United Kingdom, as your default, or you can choose to set it as default right now. So tap on set as a default and just wait for your system to load the new language. So as you can see, my system has now loaded Spanish from Colombia as my new system language. Now obviously, certain apps will keep their English name, such as Galaxy Store or Play Store, but things like Gallery have been changed, and things like calendar, settings, clock, they've all been changed because they have a Spanish alternative. To change it back to English, go back to Settings. In Settings, scroll down until you find General Management, which is always this gray icon here. Then under General Management, tap on Languages, which is at the top, the first option, and you'll always see the language that your system is currently in highlighted in blue on that label. So tap on it. Then to change back to English, simply select English and then tap on Apply, or this blue button that always means apply. So once it's been applied, wait for your system to load the language. And as you can see, mine has loaded it. So when I go back to my home screen, the language has been loaded. For example, clock has changed back to its English format, gallery, settings, and calendar. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.